Your Lordship, as per Your Lordship's direction order dated 18th March, Your Lordship, I have moved in IA for taking additional documents on record, Your Lordship. That is IA number 5344 of 2024, Your Lordship.
देखिएगा हर्ड ऑन IA 5344/2024 an application for taking additional documents on record. जी
Yes, Your
क्या
Lordship.
डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं ये?
Your Lordship, as per Your Lordship's order dated 18th March, Your Lordship's inquiry regarding the Machagora Dam compensation,
Yeah.
Your Lordship.
जी
The Machagora Dam's compensation to the petitioner, Your Lordship. That was Your Lordship's.
we are dealing with a case of maintenance.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Petitioner surviving only on the basis of the compensation received by him,
No,
or
Your Lordship.
is there any other source of income?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the source of income for this
Your Lordship, I'm working as a lineman, Your Lordship.
lineman in
Yeah.
MPV?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is your salary?
Your Lordship, that has.
What is your salary?
Your Lordship, that has not been annexed, but Your Lordship, as per the last order, Your Lordship has inquired for the his Samagra ID also and the compensation amount. So, Your Lordship, as per the Machagora Dam, where I was the member of the ancestral property, my name was not.
We are not dealing with that. Here the issue is that the trial court has awarded some maintenance
Yes, Your Lordship.
against you
Yes,
in
Your
favor of your wife and child,
In favor of my daughter-in-law and her child, Your Lordship.
her child.
My son has died, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes,
Your
yes,
Lordship.
yes.
I am maintaining 6 people in my house, Your Lordship.
ठीक है।
Whereby my another son, he is unemployed, Your Lordship. His daughter,
हाँ देख लिया, ये ऑपरेशन होना है उनका, आपने
Yes, Your
दिखा
Lordship.
दिया।
Yes, Your
तो
Lordship.
इन लोगों को क्या करें? इन लोगों को भूखा छोड़ दें?
Definitely not, Your Lordship. My
क्या तनख्वाह कितनी
submission,
है आपकी बताइएगा तो थोड़ा सा प्लीज।
Your Lordship, as per the learned subordinate court's order dated, Your Lordship, it has been mentioned 80,000, Your Lordship. No doubt that I am earning around 80 to 90,000, Your Lordship. But already I have, my son took 30 lakh rupees loan, Your Lordship. I am paying that. In my averments, I have mentioned, Your Lordship.
कहाँ है 30 लाख का लोन? किस बात के लिए लिया था आपके बेटे ने?
Your Lordship, to start a business, Your Lordship. Annexure P8, Your Lordship.
ये तो are you a guarantor? Were you a guarantor to that loan?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Huh?
It is, the check is going from my name to
नहीं
that.
नहीं, check is going is different. किस चीज का लोन लिया था उन्होंने?
Your Lordship may come to para.
किस चीज का लोन लिया था?
Your Lordship, it was a mortgage loan. Page number 35 of my IA, Your Lordship.
35, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. It states Kamlesh Verma and my another son name was Rakesh Verma who has died, Your Lordship.
जी जी।
They both took the loan of 30,000, Your Lordship. Now the check has been,
It was jointly taken by your two sons.
yes, Your Lordship.
राकेश वर्मा का कहाँ नाम आ रहा है इसमें?
Your Lordship, it was a family decision, Your Lordship. So my son died because he wanted to try to launch his business and to set up his business. Therefore, both the brothers took. Now this, my another son, he is also unemployed, Your Lordship, and my first son who died because of my daughter-in-law, Your Lordship. That was my
ऐसा
averment.
आपने क्या कोई क्रिमिनल केस चल रहा है आपकी डॉटर इन लॉ के खिलाफ?
No, Your Lordship. But Your
अब
Lordship,
आप
I have
जाके
submitted.
मेंटेनेंस पे करिए। आई एम डिसमिसिंग योर पिटीशन।
Your
लिखिएगा।
Lordship, I have, before the trial court, I have already submitted, Your Lordship. 1 lakh rupees have been submitted. My Your Lordship may
से
pay.
मतलब नहीं है, ये जो मंथली मेंटेनेंस दिए 3 और 5,000 रुपए की, इसको कृपा करके भुगतान करते रहिए।
For a moment, Your Lordship, may I draw Your Lordship's attention to page number 48 of my petition, Your Lordship.
48 of your petition, yes. P5
Yes, Your Lordship. Very last paragraph, Your Lordship.
पढ़िए।
हमारे बीच में समझौता भी हुआ था, Your Lordship. Now my daughter-in-law, she was very well able to maintain herself for long 2 years. The moment my son died, she left after two days with all her stridhan, Your Lordship. So from 2019 to
Law-
2021,
लॉ क्या कहता है?
Yes, Your Lordship.
पढ़िए सेक्शन।
section 19 would be the relevant.
Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act.
Yes, Your Lordship.
जी. Please पढ़िएगा section
Lordship.
19.
Section 19, maintenance of widowed daughter-in-law. Subsection 1. A Hindu wife, whether married before or after the commencement of this act, shall be entitled to be maintained after the death of her husband by her father-in-law, provided and to the extent that she is unable to maintain herself out of her own earnings or other property, or where she has no property of her own, is unable to obtain maintenance, A, from the estate of her husband or her father or mother, or B, from a son or daughter, if any, or his or her state. Subsection 2. Any obligation under subsection 1 shall not be enforceable if the father-in-law has not the means to do so from any co-parcenetary property
जी.
in his possession out of which the daughter-in-law has not obtained any share, and any such obligations shall cease on the remarriage of the daughter-in-law. Now, the property that was mentioned by her in her application of section 19, Your Lordship, before the trial court,
जी.
it was that I had the Machagora Dam compensation.
जी.
Now,
How
Your
much
Lordship,
compensation you receive?
yes, Your Lordship. May I draw Your Lordship's attention to Annexure P4 of my,
जी. P4.
Your Lordship, it is Annexure P6 of my additional document IA.
P5, P6.
P6, Your Lordship, page
Along-
number 7 of
P6.
my IA, Your Lordship.
अच्छा. जी, क्या लिखा है उसमें?
Yes, Your Lordship. This was the SDO's order, Your Lordship, whereby Your Lordship may see the fifth line.
जी.
I'll read the relevant portion, Your Lordship. Prakran page. आवेदक घनश्याम पिता शिवदयाल वर्मा, these all are the निवासी माचागोरा तहसील चौरई द्वारा सहमति पत्र प्रस्तुत कर ग्राम माचागोरा के प्रकरण क्रमांक इतना के प्रतिकर पत्र क्रमांक इतना में मुआवजा राशि का निर्धारण संतुलाल शिवदयाल नारायण रेवाराम पिता खीमचंद सहोदरा is my mother, Your Lordship. बेवा फग्गू लेखराम राम स्वरूप is my brother. पिता फग्गू दशोदा इज माई सिस्टर दशोदा देवकी बाई पिता फग्गू लोधी के नाम से राशि 9,17,575 रुपए का निर्धारण किया गया है। सह खातेदार संतुलाल शिवदयाल रेवाराम पिता खेमचंद एवं लेखराम पिता फग्गू फौत है। Now, Your Lordship, it was all decided in the very next page 8 and 9.
जी.
All of my brothers and sister as well as my mother, they all signed that the compensation amount of 9 lakhs, Your Lordship,
Yes.
should be transferred to one Ghanshyam Lodhi's account, Your Lordship.
उस घनश्याम लोधी.
He was also staying in the Machagora dam
So
area,
how,
Your
how
Lordship.
this agreement will, अगर आप कोई
मैं-
पैसा ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं किसी अन्य के पक्ष में, इस तो तरीका ये हो गया कि आपको पैसा मिला, आपको मेंटेनेंस नहीं देनी, आपने उठाकर अपनी माताजी के अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर दिया, बोले साहब मेरे पास तो एग्रीमेंट है माताजी का पूरा पैसा देने के लिए,
Lordship.
इसलिए जो भी मैं कमाती हूँ उसके मैं कुछ भी मेंटेनेंस देने के लिए उत्तरदायी नहीं हूँ.
Definitely not, Your Lordship. My humble submission is इन सब में मेरा नाम ही नहीं है, मेरे भाइयों का नाम है, मेरी बहन का नाम है. So my submission is जो प्रॉपर्टी का
आपका
ये
नाम क्यों
क्लेम कर
नहीं,
रही है,
आपका नाम क्यों नहीं है?
Your Lordship, उस प्रॉपर्टी में हमारा नाम ही नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. उस एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी में मेरा नाम ही नहीं था.
सिस्टर
मेरे
प्रॉपर्टी में नाम होता है कि यू आर टू क्लेवर,
Your Lordship, in
your client is too clever, tell him that he will have to pay. लिखिएगा.
Your Lordship, one more
Explain
last
this petition
submission.
is जी.
The other property that my name has been mentioned, that 1/6 property, I have also annexed that property also, Your Lordship. Which is page number 12.
हाँ.
In which I have been given the 1/6 part.
हाँ.
Now that has been taken care from last 20 years by my brothers and
क्या
sisters
कर
also.
सकते हैं?
So I'm not earning any amount.
So
from that.
you seek your share from your brother and sister and your mother and pay it to the widow. लिखिएगा. This miscellaneous petition is filed. Your client is too clever. This miscellaneous petition is filed under Article 227 of the Constitution, being aggrieved of the order dated 4/1/24 passed by the Learned District Judge Chaurai Chindwara in MJC 002/2021, whereby invoking provisions contained in Section 19 of Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956, it is directed that a sum of rupees 3,000 be paid in favor of the daughter-in-law and 5,000 in favor of her minor daughter, as they they lost their husband and father respectively, namely Shri Rakesh Verma.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Full stop. Petitioner's contention is that she has filed certain documents filed IA 5344/2024. Full stop. IA is allowed and documents are taken on record. Next paragraph. As Srushti Kashyap submits that while annexure P6, she has shown that the compensation which was received on account of acquisition of ancestral property on account of construction of Machegoda Dam